Star anise is a distinctive, star-shaped spice that has been treasured for centuries for both its flavor and its medicinal properties. Native to parts of Asia, star anise comes from the fruit of the Illicium verum tree and is widely used in cooking, herbal teas, and traditional remedies. Its warm, slightly sweet taste resembles licorice, making it a popular ingredient in many savory and sweet dishes. Beyond its culinary appeal, star anise is packed with valuable nutrients and bioactive compounds that contribute to overall health. It contains antioxidants, essential oils, vitamins, and minerals that support the body in numerous ways. From boosting immunity to supporting digestion and heart health, star anise offers a wide range of benefits. Here are 10 amazing health benefits of star anise that highlight why this spice deserves attention. Number 1. Rich source of powerful antioxidants. Star anise is loaded with antioxidants that help protect the body from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs when harmful free radicals damage cells, potentially leading to early aging and various health problems. The antioxidants found in star anise, such as flavonoids and polyphenols, help neutralize these free radicals and support overall cellular health. By reducing oxidative damage, star anise may help maintain healthier skin, tissues, and organs. Including antioxidant-rich spices like star anise in the diet supports long-term wellness and helps the body function more efficiently. Number 2. Strengthens the immune system. One of the most well-known benefits of star anise is its ability to support the immune system. The spice contains natural compounds with antibacterial and antiviral properties that help the body defend itself against harmful microorganisms. In traditional practices, star anise has often been used in teas to help the body stay strong during seasonal changes. Regular consumption of immune-supporting foods like star anise, along with a balanced diet and adequate rest, may help improve the body's natural defenses and overall resilience. Number 3. Improves digestive health. Star anise has long been used to support digestion. It helps stimulate digestive enzymes, which makes it easier for the body to break down food and absorb nutrients. This can reduce common digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and discomfort after meals. Many people drink star anise tea after eating to promote smoother digestion. By supporting gut comfort and digestive balance, star anise contributes to better overall digestive health. Number 4. Helps reduce inflammation. Inflammation is a natural response in the body, but long-term inflammation can negatively affect health. Star anise contains compounds with anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce excessive inflammation and support joint and muscle comfort. Including anti-inflammatory spices like star anise in daily meals can support physical well-being and help the body maintain a healthier inflammatory response when combined with regular activity and proper nutrition. Number 5. Supports respiratory health. Star anise has traditionally been used to support respiratory comfort. Its warming properties and natural compounds may help soothe the throat, clear airways, and support easier breathing. For this reason, it is often included in herbal teas during colder seasons. While star anise is not a replacement for medical care, it can be a comforting natural addition to a healthy respiratory routine and overall wellness plan. Number 6. Contains natural antibacterial properties. Another impressive benefit of star anise is its antibacterial activity. The essential oils found in the spice help slow the growth of harmful bacteria. This property has made star anise useful in traditional remedies aimed at maintaining internal balance and cleanliness. Supporting the body with natural antibacterial foods can help maintain a healthy internal environment, which is important for digestion, immunity, and overall health. Number 7. May support balanced blood sugar levels. Star anise contains plant compounds that may help support healthy blood sugar regulation. These compounds can improve how the body responds to insulin and help reduce sudden fluctuations in blood sugar levels when used as part of a balanced diet. Although star anise is not a medical treatment, combining it with whole foods such as vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins may help promote better metabolic balance. Number 8. Supports hormonal balance. In traditional herbal practices, star anise has been used to support hormonal balance. Certain compounds in the spice may help maintain internal stability during natural hormonal changes. Balanced hormones are essential for healthy growth, mood regulation, and energy levels. When consumed in moderation, star anise may help support the body's natural balance and overall well-being. Number 9. Promotes healthy skin. Star anise can benefit skin health thanks to its antioxidant and antimicrobial properties. Antioxidants help protect skin cells from environmental damage, while antibacterial compounds may help reduce skin impurities. A diet rich in antioxidants supports skin health from within, helping maintain a clear and healthy appearance. Some natural skincare routines also use star anise extracts for their cleansing and soothing qualities. Number 10. Supports heart health. Star anise contributes to heart health by helping reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which can affect cardiovascular function. Its antioxidant compounds support healthy blood vessels and circulation. When paired with a heart-healthy lifestyle that includes exercise, hydration, and nutritious foods, star anise can play a supportive role in maintaining long-term heart health. Incorporating star anise into your diet is simple and enjoyable when used in moderation. One of the most common ways to consume star anise is by steeping it in hot water to make a fragrant herbal tea. This tea is often enjoyed after meals to support digestion or during cooler seasons for comfort. Star anise is also widely used in cooking, especially in soups, stews, and broths, where it adds depth and warmth to the flavor. It blends well with rice dishes, noodles, and vegetable-based meals. In baking, small amounts of ground star anise can enhance the taste of cookies, cakes, and bread by adding a subtle sweetness. Because star anise has a strong aroma and flavor, only a small amount is needed. Using it occasionally as part of a balanced diet allows you to enjoy its benefits without overpowering dishes. It is essential to use only culinary star anise, Illicium verum, which is safe for consumption. Japanese star anise is toxic and should never be eaten. Always purchase star anise from reputable food sources and avoid excessive intake. Star anise is far more than a decorative spice. Its impressive nutritional profile and natural compounds offer numerous health benefits, including immune support, improved digestion, reduced inflammation, and better heart and skin health. With its rich flavor and versatility, star anise is an easy addition to a healthy lifestyle. When used responsibly and combined with a balanced diet, star anise can support overall well-being while enhancing the taste of everyday meals. This remarkable spice truly earns its place as a powerful and beneficial natural ingredient. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.